Remember, we were told as children when we were growing up that please don't date outside the culture. Usilete bibi from culture ingine akuja hapa. Now, they were not foolish to say that. It wasn't because they hated the other people. They understood that, number one, cultures are very powerful. So imagine you go all the way to Lodwar and get a woman. So imagine hakuna Nairobi.
Yeah.
So when you mtu kurandaranda, you found yourself in Lodwar. Then you saw a beautiful woman there. You found a Borana woman or some nice woman. Then you somehow convinced her through sign language or whatever language you use. And she came back with you to your home.
Yes.
Like for me now it's Nyakach.
Yes.
Now she's here. This is a totally different culture. Different language, different ways of doing things. So maybe you wanna pick a monkey. So akiona monkey kipita anaichafua mbio mbio. Now for you it is strange. You're like, hey, who adukuli nyonga, adukuli